Welcome to the holiday decorating day. We will be tackling all the Christmas decor today. Let me go over a couple different things. We don't have the whole family here. Kirsten and Tim will be coming over. Tim does not have Kaylee. Of course, Haley is in New York and her boyfriend Logan is in Chicago, so they will not be here. Carly, McKenna and Bobby will be here. Carly Shay did come home for the weekend, but she already had plans, so she will not be here. And then, of course, we will have Pips, and then my mom will be coming over as well. Oh, wait a minute, I'm filming a table. Oh, no. Sorry, let's move this.
You got it turned around?
No, I'm not a vlogger. Some people shouldn't vlog. I'm one of them. Anyway, we're rolling with it, okay? We're rolling with it. But yes, so we have some of the family coming over today to do the Christmas decorating. I'm going to go over a few things while we're waiting for everyone because it'll get hustle and bustle and I'll probably forget to even pop on here, so I'm hoping someone picks up the camera. We are also doing family dinner. Kirsten, I'm all over the place. I love it. McKenna is making her famous, delicious tortellini soup. We love it so much that she needs to make 3 batches. And then my husband made meatballs, and I will have all of the recipes linked down below and on the corresponding blog post. And then, let's see, my mom is making a cornbread recipe. It's amazing. We've had it in the past. I think she's making the one that we love. And then Kirsten is making her pumpkin gooey cake that we cannot get enough of, and we always have to have it this time of the year. And then I made dirt pudding, and I'm going to make up a cheese board. So I will show you all of that a little bit later on. But yeah, the Christmas trees are up. I'll go show you everything. Let's take a look at all of this.
The great room is empty. It is too difficult to decorate when you are working around furniture and you have so many people. I will share with you that for the last 13 Christmases, we have had a Christmas party here, and we have filled this entire home. So the furniture has to go, and we set up tables. I do a lot of rentals. I do have an IGTV where you can watch last year's Christmas party. I also have a Christmas decorating video from last year that will be linked. But yeah, all the furniture is gone. I know, hey, it works for us. That's all that matters. You know I love Warner ladders. We have lots of Warner ladders in the home. But yeah, it's pretty bare right now. Here's the big tree. Everything will get decorated in here. Hopefully everything today will get decorated. So yeah, it just looks very, very bare. And then out here, the foyer, we'll do some decorating, and going into the home office, we have a tree in there. Working my way into the master bedroom, we have a tree in here. So what's nice is that you can see in the front of our house, if you were to drive by, the 2 front windows have a tree in it. And we used to decorate the whole outside, but we're at a different place and phase in our life right now, so we don't really decorate the outdoors, and there's a lot of things that we do differently. In fact, we recognized that last year we must have thrown away the garland for the staircase, so we just said, hey, we're not going to do it. So there you go.
Out in the garage is all of the Christmas tubs. There are so many. Actually, not all of these tubs are ours. My mom sent all of her Christmas decor because she no longer needs it. She doesn't decorate anymore. She split and divided it up amongst all of the girls, and my husband accidentally brought up some of those tubs, but that's okay. We're just going to run with it. This is a lot of stuff. It's easier to come out into the garage, grab what you need, and go in versus having these tubs all over the home. Here's a beautiful wreath we used to put on the peak of our home, but you know, we no longer do the outdoors, so I don't know. I'm thinking maybe we throw that maybe on Craigslist or something and try to get rid of it. It'd be a perfect time of the year. I'm always thinking that way. I will show you what I am wearing today. Yes, slippers it is, but I have some socks on as well.
Here is the look for decorating. Just a nice wool sweater, dark skinnies, and my favorite slippers. I will link these. Should we see what Pippi is up to? Hi there. How we doing? Meatballs are in the oven. Should we see how they are coming? I am going to put together a cheese board. I love doing these, and I love doing charcuterie boards as well. In the drop down box, I will have an old blog post from 4 years ago where I share how to put together an easy cheese board. I've also shared cheese boards on my Instagram stories before, but let's go over a few things. This is a great one, Perry Breeze. Love this cheese, highly recommend it. A favorite in our family is Spanish Manchego. Excellent. I would highly recommend this on a cheese board. Another great cheese, especially for the amateur cheese board maker, lover, or indulger, is just a goat cheese with some honey in it. These are great. You can pick these up anywhere. It is also nice to utilize a cheese that has some cranberries in it just because it looks very holiday festive. I always put the karst table water crackers on my cheese board. Always include some type of candied nut. I also picked up these breadsticks with Greek yogurt, sesame, and poppy seeds. I thought these would be great. It's always nice to have something a little sweeter, so we have some shortbread fingers. Here we have some peach bourbon cardamom. This is fruit preserve for cheese. Cherry pepper fruit preserve for cheese. And I always recommend putting some type of fig preserve on your cheese board.
Past care, you will never receive a bill. The only thing they had to worry about was just keeping the zip.
Great. I'm so happy. The girls are going through some of their keepsakes that have been at my mom's. These are little cards that the girls have made for her. Pictures, drawings, so cute. Letters. They each got a little folder full of them.
You guys remember this stuff?
No, I don't.
Wow.
I haven't seen anything that I
This-
remember.
Pretty high tech.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh!
Oh, is that your,
Birth announcement.
oh, your birth announcement, yeah.
McKenna food tasting.
That's
Oh my gosh!
Yeah. Alright, Merry
Oh, I know where
Christmas.
that goes. Yeah, I know where that goes.
All right, you're on that one, honey. It's a priceless day. Football, family, and football.
That's how we work.
You know what?
clear-glass thing these went in.
I can
They
look.
were up here.
Yep, I can look. Okay.
Little puppy.
Good, how are you?
We have Hal.
Hi.
We have Hal on
Hi,
FaceTime from New York. And we have Carly Shea on FaceTime from where? Are you in Detroit?
I'm in Detroit, yeah.
So Detroit, New York, they're getting ready to do their sister name drawing exchange with the other sisters. That's how we roll. All right, where
Is
are...
Logan there?
No.
You'll have to tell him who he has.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Who's going?
So I'm going last.
Thursday.
Are we starting from youngest?
Let me see here. Can you see the little bowl?
Yeah.
Where's Carly? I don't know if Carly can see it. Oh, there you can. Can you see this, Car? You see that? Okay.
So Carly, you're going first. Or I mean,
Yeah.
Sorry, I have so many sisters.
Chloe's going first.
Let me go make sure that I didn't get myself.
No, I want to see your face when you read it.
Come here, Paul.
Yeah, we need to see your expression.
Okay, I didn't get myself.
Let me see.
Carly,
Who'd you get?
put your hand in.
Carly, put your hand in. Yeah.
Put your hand in.
Thank you.
Oh.
Mom, do you want to show her?
Okay. Here.
We all gotta not look, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure Carly can't see either.
Okay.
Oh, Haley.
Or Haley.
Tell me if you can.
Chloe.
Can you? That's. I can't hear. That's not good. Okay, so I've got Carly's.
No, she didn't see. Or no one else saw.
No, not
Okay, McKenna.
You gotta stand over here.
Oops, I got two.
Where she's opening.
Okay. No, I'm just kidding. I'm happy.
It's me then.
Haley, you
No,
gotta
it's not.
draw. You gotta draw. Get your hand in there. Oh, do I have to go?
All over.
Oh, oh.
Oh, I saw it!
Oh my gosh!
You're looking right at That's why when they're doing these here,
You guys gotta
have to be
look.
up-
Yeah, you
have
guys
to be
gotta go
over
somewhere
there.
else.
Well, now
If there's
Kirsten.
going to in there, we all have to redo it.
Yeah, because now Kirsten's gonna know who Haley has.
Shoot. Okay.
It'd be better
Sorry.
no, it'd be better to redo it anyway because I think some other people saw something else.
Okay.
We all. Why is anyone even back here? Like everyone come back
All
here.
the girls.
Okay,
Yeah.
are
redoing it.
inside.
Fold it
I
up good.
honestly wasn't looking right at it.
No.
I love the live footage of all this.
It's okay, Kirsten.
Do we have them all in here?
That was just a practice round. We were getting warmed up.
Okay, Chloe. Keep your foot out. Make sure it's not you.
crisis almost over.
I think I grabbed two.
Yeah, make sure you only get one.
Want to see that nice dessert?
Carly, you have to draw again. Okay, Carly drew. Carly drew.
Okay, now all the
Yep.
women on that side.
Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Is that okay?
I'm gonna take this one.
Well, yeah, if she got herself.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my pocket.
Okay,
Carly.
and I'll put Haley's in my pocket. Oops, sorry, honey. All right, who'd McKenna get this time? We had to do another draw.
Okay.
Okay,
Happy this time.
Haley has to draw.
I wasn't not happy the first time.
All right, Haley virtually drew. Okay, here's the.
So nobody can see Haley's.
Can you see?
Yep. Good.
Okay,
Okay.
that's Haley's. Make sure you get them right. And then who's left?
Dad is so
Watch
concerned
your
with
fingers.
no one seeing.
You guys have to draw all over again.
Oops.
Nope. Okay, so we're all good.
All right, the guy's turn.
Good over there?
Yep, okay, put those aside somewhere. Okay, so now we've got the guys. What's the guys?
They're doing a drawing.
Oh, there are?
Bobby texted the other day, and Dad's in it.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
fun.
All right, so is Logan going first?
Sure.
Okay, draw for Logan.
All right,
We
hey.
gotta be over here.
Get out of here.
I almost did the same
You don't want to
thing.
be in ours?
Well, no, you guys have enough of you.
You don't want to look, but you kind of just
that's
Oh, we draw?
Oh, that is Logan. I know it's gonna be hard because they have less.
okay.
Good?
Good.
Okay, so this one's Logan's. I'm gonna have to
Here,
write on it.
I can write Logan.
Okay. Now, all right, who's next? Can't get yourself.
All right. I got myself.
You did?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, good.
Okay.
watch, I'll get Paul now. Alright, let's see.
Why would you not want that?
Okay.
What's
And you don't get your own name, which
I
you
live in
didn't.
Detroit.
Okay.
We're all good. Everyone's good.
I wonder what you got, Tim.
We're saying,
Hard to tell.
I've never been there, but Mom's been recommending it to me.
Oh, yeah.
What's it called?
Punch Bowl Social.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, that's a good place to go.
Yeah.
Haley's been to Punch Bowl Social.
Yeah, she said that. Telling her I went there something earlier.
You've been there, Mom.
Yeah, I know. Awesome.
Okay, so this is Logan's.
Okay.
So who's taking that? Not me.
Okay.
Throw it away, rip it up.
Because you'll know, you'll remember?
I'll remember.
Okay.